How to create a QQ account. Hello everybody. If you are wondering how you may follow up these methods, so for that you may go ahead and locate up the QQ application and install it on your device. After it is installed, simply open it up. Once you open it up, you should be finding a login interface. Before that, you need to agree the terms and conditions. Go ahead and agree. And on this login interface, you should be finding a sign up option and a login option. So the left one basically indicates the sign up option, whereas the right one indicates the login, which is the blue one. Since we are creating an account, you may tap on the left option. Go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it, we just need to follow the on-screen prompts. The first process is entering up your phone number. So you need your phone number in order to create up your account. So first thing is you need to select up your country code. So you may drop down this number option. And after you tap on it, here we have different country options available, but it is on Chinese. So if you're trying to look for your country, the easiest method you can apply up from the given options on your screen is look for the alphabetical order. So for example, if you're from US, you may go to the U section. And when you head over the U section like this, unfortunately, we do not have U provided. So what you can do is look for other country as well. For example, if your country is starting from D, you may go ahead and search of your D country, and you may also use up a translator if possible. Otherwise, you may go ahead and tap on one of the country given from the D option and look out if that is your country code or not. If it is correct, what you need to do is on the second option, you need to enter up the phone number of your country, like your own phone number. Go ahead and enter it up, and you may tap on this blue icon, this one right here. After that, you will be taken to another page where you need to enter up the credentials, like create up a password, something similar, and just follow the on-screen prompts and your account should be created. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.